I got a thing. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. And today, I got a 3D printer I'm gonna unbox. Check it out. Alright, so for my birthday, my bud Manny, who's the best guy ever, got me this nice 3D printer, and I'm taking it out. We're gonna set it out, we're gonna see when we print something. Okay, it's out of the box. Okay, so we're starting to take it out now. I think this is filament. I don't know. We got ourselves a power cord here. Instructions. I don't know what language that is. Ah! Alright, so here it is unboxed, and I gotta say, this is pretty sweet looking. I got this, whoa, I got this foam out, and I don't know what this is. This may be a display of some sort. Okay, cool, I was right, it is a touch screen if you look right there, and this is all the stuff it came with. So it came with a little bit of filament, power cord, after sales service card, the instructions, which I'm reading right now, a little bit of a tool kit here, which is very cool. As you can see the tools there. But we're gonna get this set up. Twisty, twisty. Aww. Whoa, cool. Woo. Ta-da! It's time for power. Oh, snap! It's alive. It's alive! Oh, sorcery. What is this? So right now it says it's calibrating, and this is kind of exciting. So while the printer is calibrating, as soon as it's done, it says that we need to attach some glue adhesive to the bottom of the plate and then attach our filament in the back, and it's got a preloaded file that should print something up today. I don't know what it is, but we should be able to. It's time to lock and load! Ooh. Look how cool this is. So I've got the filament loaded, guys. As you can see back here, here's my spool. It's not great, didn't come with a spool, so I'm just kind of like hand feeding it. But we'll eventually get spools to go on there, but hopefully this works. We'll see how it goes. Guys, I'm gonna try to print this boat. This is awesome! Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. I got a 3D printer now, and it works. I'm printing some weird shit. As always, guys, like, subscribe, keep coming back to the channel. If you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. I love ya. And remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. See you next time. Peace! Shout out to Manny hooking your boy up. I love you, dog.